Hey guys, Fix It John here. We have a low beam light bulb out, halogen light bulb out on this '07. This video will be good for any '07 diesel, '07 to 2013. So let's get coming over here to the light bulb department and let's see. Well, we have fuses, bulbs. Now, I remember buying a bunch of bulbs. Kmart went out of business. I was needing some bulbs, so I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna... All right, guys, Fix It John. Before you even try to attempt a job like this, make sure you have a nice hot cup of Starbucks. Okay, now we're looking for bulbs. I hope I have some because I remember buying some. All right, guys, let's check this bulb department. I found another set of bulbs. And original equipment standard Phillips, that has to be them. A lot of glare. And I remember I got a super good price for them because H11 Kmart was going out of business, and I'm like, you know what, I need bulbs, and I happened to be in there. I'm like, I'm gonna buy what they have left. So these are original. I don't know why I have these taped up. Those look like used ones. It's got a burnt mark in it. I wouldn't put it past myself to save a used one if it still worked. Go buying bulbs, halogen bulbs for your vehicle. This is standard original equipment. It only shows 2 stars, but who's giving those stars? It's probably Phillips. They want to sell the more expensive bulb. And the reason why, if you buy the brighter headlight bulb, if you don't buy the standard, they burn out like in half the time of the original bulb does. So I read that a long time ago, and I'm like, I could really be doing something better than changing light bulbs in my vehicle. These are plenty bright, but you can buy brighter ones, and they'll only last half the time, according to what I read. I haven't tried them out, and I don't want to, because like I said, I've got better things to do than change headlight bulbs. So I bought the standard again, the original equipment. All right, one more thing, guys. You don't want to touch that bulb with your bare hands. I don't have any gloves. I just ran out, and I got to order some more in. But I'll be very careful not to touch that bulb with my bare fingers. I guess the oil, the acids on them will shorten the life of the bulb. That's what I've heard. And that's what I read, and that's what I'll go by. So let's get this out over here. I think the passenger side is going to be easier than the driver's side. All right, guys, that's what we're going after. See that yellow and black cord going all the way up to this little square? Right there, that little booger right there. That's what we're going after. That little tiny square thing. You can just barely see the green on the bottom of it. There it is right there. See the green back on that. And I'm going to take my hand through here, right in front of the air box. But I'm going to loosen that headlight up. It won't come out, but I'll be able to get my hands in there a little easier. And I'm going to tell you right now, I've got medium-sized hands. If you're one of these guys with a bear claw, you're going to have to take out this whole air box. So all I have here is a 10 millimeter. You can use a ratchet or just whatever. I'm getting my hand in the back here. All right, there it is, guys. I'm just going to get my hand in here. I'm going to try to show you the clip when there's a little clip. My hand's in the way, but there's a little clip on each side of it. There's a little clip right here and one on the other side. Pushing it back. I don't want to break it because I don't want to install another one. There, one clip's off. There it is. See the clips on the side? I did that with my fingers, and the one went back on. So I have to snap that back. Cause I'll snap one and the other side will snap on. Maybe I'll get a little screwdriver in there. Let's try that. There. That's it. It's the bulb right there. It's a little smoked. The element still looks good, but and then if it's not the bulb, it could be the driver's side fuse too. We'll try the bulb out first. All right, guys, trying it again. There, they in there, but hope it don't fall out. There, I got my hand in there. Quarter turn's all it takes. Once you get it lined up, you'll feel the sweet spot. There we go. She's a sweet spot. That is a quarter turn. Uh-oh, nope. There we go. Quarter turn, guys, right there's the sweet spot. And you'll feel it snug up. Now, I was able to do that and not touch that bulb. Let's get this, and it only goes on one way. All right, there it is. So let's check the headlights so we know it's not a fuse. All right, guys, there it is. Wasn't a fuse. I guess the easiest thing to do is check the fuse, but typically it's the headlight after all these years. Going over to the driver's side, and that's going to be a little more difficult. So yeah, would it have been quicker just to pull that air box out, probably, instead of fighting with it, but you don't know unless you try. Big bear claw, definitely have to take that out. Weenie hands, you can get right in there. Medium-sized hands, you may just want to take that out. Hey guys, Fix It John. I just wanted to show you how to do a resistance test on this, just to verify it's good, because this one looks good. I really don't see any, it's a little more twisted up around the coils here, whatever you want to call it, the element. It's a little more twisted up around the element there than this one. But if you want to do a resistance test on it, should have around 0.4, 0.5, something like that. I hope you can see that. This one here, the one the passenger side I pulled out, doesn't have any resistance. Oh well. Continuity test on the bad one. Oh well. And this one's good. So that's how you can tell. Let me show you the good one and the bad one. Let's see if we can see it. See the element in this one here? I mean, it's not really burnt in half, but it looks a little burnt and twisted. And then if you compare it to the new one here, nice, clean, crisp brown coils. There's the difference in the bad one and the good one. Same bulb. It's a little smoked, that's all. So we'll toss this one away. And the reason why I'm showing you all this, it may not be the bulb. It may be the relay, the fuse, or just whatever. All right, guys, we got a 1/2 inch socket on here. I'm taking this battery out. Now this will be for any 07, I think up to 2013 with dual batteries. You could get this out with the needle nose pliers and extended needle nose, but you're not going to be able to plug it back in. So unless you're Houdini. I'll wrap that up a little. Right there. Just reach in through here where the battery was, turn it. Got a little more room to work here with the battery gone. Just pull these little ears back. And there, voila. That one looks the same as the old one. All right, guys. I got you sitting in the battery box. All right, guys, fix it, John. I just want to show you before I put it on. It only goes on one way. See that little, see the two plugs and that plastic coming up? You can't put it on backwards. If you put it on backwards, it won't go on. So don't worry about that. So let's get it on here. And if you have struggle plugging it in and it doesn't go in, it's because you got the plug on backwards. But typically, your plug will go on the right way because it has memory. It'll know which way to go on. So there it is. See if I can get my hand in here now. It's a tight fit too for my hands. Move that cable out of the way. There we go. And we want to turn it down. It's like a quarter turn there. It went in there. Yeah, there it is right there. Quarter turn. Now turn it. And that tightens it down. There it is right there. We'll get the cord. And like I said, it'll only go on one way, so if it doesn't snap in real easily, there, it snapped in. You didn't hear it, but take my word for it. If it doesn't stay there, it's not snapped in. You can see the snaps right there. Two low beam headlights. I probably could have gotten this one done a little quicker and not had to fight it if I would have just taken out that air box, but a lot of times it's quicker to do stuff like that. Keep an open mind. If you've got small hands, go in that way. Or if you've got small hands, I meant go in this way. If you got bear claws, don't even attempt that. Same way with this. I mean, if you got bear claws, you would have to take this windshield wiper bottle out. So remember, guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know how you do it. There's guys on the YouTube that's doing it different ways. That was the best way for me.